Want to use Chrome in your native language? I'll show you exactly how to do it in under a minute. First, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on Languages. Now, click on Add Languages. From here, you'll see a complete list of available languages. So, use the search bar to find your language quickly. I'll search for French as an example. Then, select your language from the results and click on Add. Your new language now appears in the list. Click the three-dot icon, then choose Display Google Chrome in this language. See that? It's now your primary language. So, Chrome needs to restart for the changes to take effect. Click the Relaunch button that appears, and Chrome will close and reopen automatically. There you go, Chrome is now displaying in your chosen language.